Let's look at the top 5 ways that SpaceClaim helps the machinist. Number 5. Creation of tooling and fixturing is now easier than ever thanks to SpaceClaim's 3D direct modeling technology. With commands like pull, move, fill, and combine, construct geometry on the fly and quickly transform it into valuable tooling for your machining needs. And with our simple-to-use trace parts and cadenas integration, you can include every fastener for a complete assembly. Sketch in a 2D cross-section and watch 3D models create automatically for you. Use the right tool for the job and you'll save hours of design time by working with existing geometry in an intuitive way. Number 4. Do you ever need to convert your old DXF or DWG files into useful 3D data? SpaceClaim lets you do this with ease. Using simple tools like pull and move, it's easy to import and transform this 2D data into solid geometry faster than ever before. Even edit your new model in a familiar 2D cross-section view. Number 3. Have you ever opened up another CAD model only to find a collection of surfaces and missing faces? SpaceClaim's Repair tab gives you all the tools you need to repair corrupt and dirty geometry. Toolpath generation will never be problematic, and with our intuitive direct editing tools, you can even modify the model and fit your tools and processes. Number 2. Accurately conveying a manufacturing process is always important. That's why SpaceClaim lets you do it with ease. Starting with the finished model, defeature and simplify the model, such as filling in holes, to uniquely capture its state at any point along its progression. It's so easy to clearly articulate the machining steps in a simple to understand 3D fashion with notes and dimensions. SpaceClaim gives you many ways to convey your ideas to others. Work in a familiar 2D environment and save this file as a DXF or DWG. Create different drawing views, notes, or dimensions. Even modify the model while in a 2D view, or work in a 3D markup document where is-was dimensions let you capture each step of a progression. Since pictures are worth 1,000 words, let all your changes stand out in color. Number 1. Whether you need to add rounds, change chamfers, or even alter rib dimensions, SpaceClaim gives the machinist simple tools to optimize a model and prepare it for machining tasks. Identify, change, or even remove draft from a model you didn't create. And wouldn't it be nice to save time and reduce costs by splitting 2 parts and machining each section separately? SpaceClaim lets you slice up a model and add joining features to merge the bodies back together. These tools give you the power you need to simplify and optimize any model. Bottom line, with SpaceClaim's direct modeling technology, you can skip the complexity of traditional CAD systems. You'll get the parts out the door faster, win more bids, and reduce waste. And with our seamless integration into CAM products and a user interface that makes the working in 3D simple, fast, and fun, watch SpaceClaim pay for itself in just a few production runs. Experience SpaceClaim today and watch your business grow.